In this tutorial, we are building a journey to create Freshdesk tickets for new Typeform entries. So let's start. Select Typeform as trigger. Next, choose New Form Response as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the appropriate form. In steps, we have to create a new Freshdesk ticket. For that, select Freshdesk. Choose Create Ticket as Action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link Account. Next, enter requested email address. Enter the subject, add fields using Typeform app data, and set priority and status. And we are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Typeform. In Form, select View. Fill in the form details. Submit the form. Then go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Freshdesk. We can see a new ticket being created. In this way, we can build an automation journey to create Freshdesk tickets for new Typeform entries. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.